Welcome to my channel. When we visit Spain, one of the best known dishes we must try is paella, a kind of rice dish. This dish is originally from Valencia and cooked with chicken and rabbit meat. On the Mediterranean coast, the Spanish also used seafood instead of meat. We call it paella de marisco, seafood paella. To cook la paella de marisco, the Spanish use Bomba rice, a kind of round green rice from Spain. The most important spice used in this dish is the saffron, which is collected from the flowers of Crocus. It is one of the most precious spices in the world and has a fragrant taste, slightly sweet and floral. Saffron has also been used in traditional medicines in many countries. Now I will show you how to cook this amazing dish, la paella de marisco. The ingredients we need today are the seafood. I use shrimp, squid, scallop, and mussels. For rice, I didn't find Spanish Bomba rice, so I use Italian round green rice today. You can also use other kind of round green rice. As vegetable, we will use green peas, tomato, onion, and the red bell pepper. We also need a fish stock, olive oil, paprika, parsley, garlic, lemon, salt, and pepper. And of course, the most important spice for the dish, saffron. I found only American saffron, which is from safflower. At first, we finely dice the onion, dice the red bell pepper, dice the tomato, chop the garlic. Now we prepare the saffron. We wrap up the saffron with a piece of aluminum paper. Then put it on a heated pan to toast it both sides for several seconds. This step will allow saffron release all the aromas into the stock and can give extra fragrance. Put the saffron into water and mix it. We can see the yellow color of the saffron coming out. Now put olive oil in a pan on medium heat. Add the onion, and the garlic, and saute for about 5 minutes. Add red bell pepper. Fry for another 3 minutes. Add the tomato and cook for 5 minutes. Add the paprika, salt, and a pepper. Add the squid, then fish stock, add the saffron, mix all together. When it is boiling, add the rice, then add green peas. Boil for about 5 minutes on medium heat. We can see the broth has been absorbed by the rice little by little. When the broth has been reduced to half, we can start to add the seafood, and don't stir the rice anymore. Put the scallop on the top. Add the mussels. And the shrimps. Cover the pan and cook on low-medium heat for about 10 minutes. If there is still some liquid, remove the cover and let the liquid evaporate. The Spanish people love the roasted rice layer at the bottom of the pan. If you like it, cook on the high heat for 1 minute. Remove the pan from the stove, cover it, and rest for 5 minutes. As a final touch, we will decorate the dish with the parsley and several slices of lemon. Now this colorful and delicious seafood paella is ready. Let me taste it. Very good. The rice is perfectly cooked and it tastes the flavors of all ingredients. This colorful dish fits the strong colors of Spain, and the smells of the seafood brings me the memories of the Mediterranean Sea. Hope you enjoy it, and see you next time. Muchas gracias.